Greetings, seekers of divine blessings. Welcome back to I Am Money, where we explore the spiritual realms and connect with the extraordinary. Today, I have something truly special to share with you, a prayer that opens the channels for receiving divine gifts. Stay tuned and let's embark on this spiritual journey together. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Also, click the link on this channel bio if you would love to learn more prayers. Before we delve into the prayer, find a quiet and peaceful space. Allow yourself to relax, take a few deep breaths, and center your mind. This prayer is a powerful tool to connect with the divine and attract blessings into your life. Are you ready? Let's begin. O divine source of all that is, grant me the gifts that your love bestows. Open my heart to receive your grace. Illuminate my path in your sacred space. Bless me with wisdom, strength, and light. Guide me through both day and night. In your abundance, I humbly stand. Receive my prayer, Almighty Hand. This prayer is a heartfelt request to the divine, seeking blessings in various aspects of life. By uttering these words with sincerity and faith, you align your energy with the universal forces, inviting positive changes and divine gifts into your existence. It's a simple yet profound way to connect with the higher realms. Many individuals who've incorporated this prayer into their daily practice have reported a sense of peace, clarity, and unexpected blessings. However, remember that spirituality is a personal journey and the results may vary. Approach this prayer with an open heart and let the divine unfold its plan for you. I challenge you to recite this divine gift prayer every day for the next week. Embrace the energy it brings and observe any shifts in your life. Share your experiences in the comments below and let's inspire each other on the spiritual journey. Are you ready to receive divine gifts? That concludes our sacred session today. If you found this prayer meaningful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more spiritual insights and divine guidance.